Morning students, welcome to our English class. Beta, today we will start the exercises of the lesson. Yesterday we have done the lesson and the difficult words. So today we will do the word meaning and exercises of the Michael Goes Climbing. So beta, let's start. So the word meaning is, first one is spoiled. What is the meaning of spoiled? Ruined. R-U-I-N-E-D, ruined. Second one is mischievous. Do you know about meaning of the mischievous? Yes, naughty. Now the third one is spire, and the meaning of the spire is tower. Fourth one is grasp. What is the meaning of grasp? To hold tightly. किसी को tightly हमने पकड़ना. Fifth one is rapidly, and the meaning of rapidly, quickly. Now the sixth one is rescue. And what is the meaning of rescue? To save. आपको किसी को save करना. Fright, fear. What is the meaning of fright? Fear. Okay. Now we will do the exercises of the Michael Goes Climbing. So let's start. So the C3 exercise, complete the following. आपको you have to complete the followings. Okay. So do you remember the lesson? Do you remember the story, beta? So let's start. Two women were talking to each other. One of them called Michael proud, dash and dash. So you have to tell Michael proud, spoiled and mischievous. Okay. The other woman felt that sometimes, yes beta, tell me, that is the moral of the story also. Mischief make a person courageous. Okay. Now meanwhile Michael climbed the, yes beta, climbed the church spire. Yes, of course, where some workmen had left their क्या छोड़ दिया था workmen ने? Left their ladder. So he got a chance to stand over the golden ball beneath the weather vane. Okay. Now next, after some time, he discovered that the ladder was, yes beta, the ladder was missing. Yes. Then what happened? A feeling of fright, despair and sickness came over him because he did not know how to get down. Okay beta, that is the complete the following and you have to fill on the book. Now the true false. Write true, T for the true statement and F for the false statement. First one is, the first woman called Michael a nice boy. Yes, you have read earlier. The first woman called Michael proud, spoiled, not a nice boy. So that is the false statement, F. Now the second one is, the second woman called Michael courageous. Yes, of course, second woman said. So that is the true. Now the third one is, the church was in the market. Yes beta, do you remember the church was in the market or not? Yes, in the market. That is true. Now fourth one is, the workmen had left their ladder below the spire near the trapdoor. Yes, of course, that is true. That is true. Now next, Michael could not reach the top of the spire. Beta, do you remember Michael could reach the top of the spire or not? Reach. Yes, that is the false statement. So F. Now sixth one is, a sudden feeling of joy came on Michael when he found the ladder missing. So that is false. Now seventh, a spire on the base of the bowl was fully slated. Beta, fully slated or half slated? Tell me. Yes, that is the half slated. So false statement, F. Now next and the last, it was safe to grasp the spire and come down. Beta, it is a safe? No beta. So that is the false statement and you put the F. Okay. Now we will do the C5 exercise. Who said to whom? C5 exercise, read the sentences given below and then write who said to whom. Beta, you have to write who said these sentences and to whom. Okay beta. First one is, oh well, mischief sometimes makes a person courageous. Yes beta, do you remember who said these words? To whom? Yes, the other woman said these words to the first woman. Now the second one is, I would be the first person in town to stand on the golden bar. Yes, beta, do you remember who said these words? Yes, Michael said. And whom? Michael said to these words to himself. Now third one is, have you heard the news? Yes, that who said these words? Yes, the old lady said these words. And to whom? Her sick neighbor. So that is the sentences who said these them to whom. Now C6 exercise. Complete the following statements. First one is Michael belonged to. Yes, beta, you have to tell the name of the country. Michael belonged to Netherlands. Now the second one is Michael wanted to climb over the golden ball because he wanted to be the first person to stand on it. Now the third one is when the people saw Michael standing on the ball, what happened beta? When the people saw Michael standing on the goal, they were afraid. Now the next, Michael's father, who had lost all hope from him, sent him to sea. Okay, now the next one is Michael was very successful at sea, and then what happened? He became Admiral Michael June the Reuter. Okay, now the sixth one is under Michael the Dutch Navy defeated the English fleet. Under Michael the Dutch Navy defeated the English fleet. Okay, now we will do the question answer of the lesson. Why did the first woman say that she felt like hitting Michael every time she saw him? Yes, beta, tell me, why did the first woman say that she felt like hitting Michael every time she saw him? Yes, beta? Yes, she said so as Michael was a spoiled, proud and mischievous boy. Now the second question is, why had the workman left the ladder near the trapdoor? Beta, why the workman left the ladder? Yes, beta, the workman had left the ladder near the trapdoor as they had been slating the church spire, and the workman को slating करना the church spire को. Okay. Now the third question is, why did Michael not want to take help from others? Yes, beta, tell me. Why Michael did not want to take help from others? Because Michael didn't want to take help from others as it would be a poor sort of end to his adventure and he did not become a hero. So, Michael didn't want to take help from others. So, the last question is, how did Michael finally reach down safely? Yes, beta, tell me, how did Michael finally reach down safely? Michael slowly slid down, left the bowl and then quickly got the base of the bowl. Yes, beta, do you remember? He started climbing down rapidly, quickly, and finally he reached down safely. So that is the answer. Now we will do the C8 exercise. Find words from the story which have the following meaning. You have to find the words from the story which have the same meaning. Okay, beta. First one is the act of saving someone from danger. Yes, beta, tell me. The act of saving someone. Yes, rescue. The second one, no, a feeling of hopelessness. Hopelessness, nirash ho jana, despair. Now, third one is to put body against something, linked. Now, fourth one, to hold tightly. You have done in the word meaning also, grasp. Fifth, quickly, rapidly. And the sixth, to break something completely, destroy it. Break something that is destroyed. Okay, now we will do the C10 exercise. That is the opposite. You have to tell the opposites. First one is start. Yes, beta, tell me start, end. Start, end. Start, end. And the second one is save. Yes, beta, tell me save, dangerous. Save, dangerous. Third one is defeat, victory. Defeat, hard, or victory, cheat. Now fourth one is slowly, rapidly. Fourth one is above, beneath. And the sixth one is empty, full. Now next, soft, hard. Soft, hard. Healthy, sick. So that is the opposite words. And now we will do the last exercise of this lesson, that is C11.